Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am gonna be adding to the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction series, and I'm gonna be using, because I noticed it's like super brown, you know, most of the shadows and most of the looks I've done have been like a brown smoky eye, so I'm gonna limit myself. And I'm just gonna use Extreme Aubergine and the Blitz Copper and Astral Lunar Gold. You know, and those are going to be the main shadows, and I'm going to try to create something really vibrant and smoky. You know, if you know color theory, you know that purple is the opposite of yellow, so I'm hoping that aubergine really pops with the copper. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started. As usual, I am wearing makeup. I did the brows a little bit longer and thicker because I want the look to be super dramatic. And the highlight, I piled a bunch of highlighter on. I don't know if it's gonna look good on camera, but it will look good on the photos because I'll make it look good. But it's basically Fluid Sheer from Armani, and then I put a little bit of Mars holographic highlighter. And on top of that, I put the highlighter from the Hot Dress palette, so it's a crop tin highlighter. So I'm just gonna start out with Skin Show Divine Glow, which is the very first shadow. I'm gonna very lightly apply it because it does have a little bit of an golden. I didn't put the, oh shit, I didn't put the eye primer. Actually, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put the eye primer on top of the eyeshadow and hopefully things will work as planned. And this is the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Now I'm going with Skin Show Divine Glow. And now I'm just gonna pack on Extreme Aubergine as much as I can. So I'm gonna use a little smudgy brush from Laura. Looks like this, and I'm just gonna start on this side because this is the most challenging eye. I'm gonna grab a ponytail brush and I'm just gonna start blending that around. Let's add a little bit more. And I'm gonna use a smaller crease brush to make it go even further out. There you go, so you can see we're being carried away by the purple. Okay, now I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay, there we have it. It's looking really good. I'm gonna make it a little bit more pigmented on the corners because we're gonna be, you know, on the photographs I want it to look like purple, you know, and that's the area you're gonna see the most color in anyways. So I'm gonna use the corner eye brush by Laura Mercier. And you can see how beautiful that shape just came out, you know, with that brush. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the crease and add the gold. And I feel like this is gonna be a good look to put, you know, against my other pictures on Instagram, because the last one was purple pink. This is gonna have some gold, so I'll create some contrast. And I think the next one I'm gonna do is gonna be either red. Yeah, I think it's gonna involve a lot of red, so we'll see. Okay, so now that the crease is beautifully cut and we have a new lid, I'm gonna start using Astral Lunar Gold, and I'm just gonna pack it on before we put on copper. So I'm using the Kevin Aquan brush. This is for glitter. Okay, now that we're packed with glitter, I'm gonna start adding the copper. I think I'm gonna add a little transition shade to the end there. There you go. Now I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use a little bit of Guilty Pleasure on the edges between the purple and copper, and hopefully that'll help us to blend it together a little bit. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm going to use Astral Lunar Gold. And just to get a tad bit more glitter, even though we have a shit ton of glitter right now, I'm going to use my finger and just run it through. Perfect. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, mascara, yeah, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put some beige eyeliner, mascara, a little bit of lashes, and as usual I'm gonna be putting photos and videos so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, it came out pretty cool. I mean, this is another wearable look. I said that I wasn't gonna do as many wearable looks in my Instagram, but I guess I ended up doing another wearable look. The next one's definitely not gonna be, I mean, it's still gonna, all of these looks are wearable, it just depends on who you are, you know, like at this point. So the next one's gonna be a little bit more out there, more, you know, inspiration type of moment, and it'll be fun. I have like a lot of ideas. I just need to figure out like which one I want to do first. But I wanted to revive the Pat Mcgrath Mothership 5 because I love the shadows and I just wanted to give it one more whirl. We'll see how many more looks I can create with it. And that's about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I post videos pretty frequently, you know, a couple days a week. If you hit the bell button, it'll notify when I have a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.